I-cord may be used in all sorts of ways. The term is short for idiot cord because making a long strip of it may make you feel like you've lost your mind from tedium. However, it goes very fast, and mock I-cord goes twice as fast as true I-cord. It's what I use most of the time. True I-cord involves slipping every other row. Mock I-cord is really just a strip of stockinette, but it rolls up very tightly because of the nature of stockinette. And where you need a drawstring or a shoulder strap, or in this case, a hem that performs a particular function, mock I-cord will usually work nicely. To make it, all one must do is cast on between 3 and 8 stitches and knit the length that you need. Here I'm just holding down with my hand, but a claw weight can be helpful. Stitch size may be varied depending on the results you want.